Hello everybody, thank you all for tuning in to Thunder Valley CB Shop. You got the Wolfman here. Look what we got in, guys. RCI 99N2. This is a very powerful radio. You got the little switch here. I think y'all know what that is for. Hehehe. This radio is just like the X9. You can change colors on the faceplate. Frequency counter, talkback, echo. It's got all that stuff. Dimmer, power. Yeah, this is a nice radio, guys. Alright, I only got 2 of these in. I got a couple more in order that'll be here probably later on in the week. These radios are $790 with the tune-up, which is $50. They're $840 plus tax. And I've only got 2 of them, guys. These are really powerful radios. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button on my YouTube page. God bless.